Good morning. I'm going to show you how to put in ingredients in the instructions for the WP Recipe Maker recipe card. Just to be fancy, I made mine have a yellow background and the text is in italic for easy reading. I also put a note, see, a little note at the top of the instructions so that people know what it is and that it's easy to find. Okay, here we go. First thing you're going to do is you're going to open WP Recipe Maker. Then you're going to go to Settings and click on Template Editor. Okay, here we go. Now, choose a recipe. In this case, I'm using baked chicken with mushrooms and wine, but I'll see another one. See, like this, whatever you got. And if you change it, then you need to save the changes, but we're not going to do that because we're already there. Okay, now, next thing you're going to do is you're going to open the template editor, like that, and click on Recipe Templates. The one that I'm going to use is one of my own templates. I highly recommend you use one of your own. It'll show you how to do it. Okay, here we go. I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to edit the template. Now, in order to add a little instruction part, we're going to edit HTML. And I want you to notice what is on line 30. See this? Okay. Now I'm going to put the instructions of how to do that in the description of this video. So you'll know how to do it. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to edit blocks. And the block that you want to edit is recipe instructions. Scroll down until you see ingredients position. Yours will probably say do not display. That's not what you want. You want to choose either before or after the text. I think it's better for before because that's how I run. Ingredients, text style, italic, or whatever you want to do. All this other stuff you can do yourself. Now, at that point, you're going to go and edit CSS. If you want to make yours like mine and have it highlighted like this, okay, then you have to go and edit the CSS. I'm going to have that little snippet for you in the description on the video. Okay, but I'll show you real quick sort of what to do. Okay, so now I went down to line 104, actually at line 103, and you can see how it's the class WPRM recipe instruction ingredient, and I have background color yellow. Okay, now at that point, I'm happy with what I want, what I did, and I'm going to stop editing, and that will save my template. And that's it. Happy coding!